Have you ever wondered how diseases pass from one person to another? How does a simple sneeze in a crowded bus lead to a full-blown cold days later? Well, it's all about the modes of transmission, and we're here to delve into it. First off, the direct contact mode of transmission. It's as simple as it sounds. This happens when there's physical contact between an infected person and a susceptible individual. Think of it like sharing a handshake with someone who has a cold. You then rub your eyes or nose and voila, you've potentially introduced the cold virus into your system. Next up, we have the indirect contact mode. This involves contact with a contaminated intermediate object or person. The common cold virus, for instance, can survive on surfaces for hours. Touching a doorknob or a handrail that an infected person has touched can lead to transmission. Then there's the droplet transmission mode. This happens when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks, releasing tiny droplets. If these droplets land on the mucous membranes of a person nearby, such as in the eyes, nose, or mouth, they can cause infection. This is why covering your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing is so important. Let's move on to airborne transmission. This is similar to droplet transmission, but the particles are smaller and can remain suspended in the air for longer periods. Diseases like tuberculosis and measles use this mode of transmission. Another mode is the vector-borne transmission. In this case, an insect or any animal that can transmit infectious pathogens from one host to another is involved. Malaria, for example, is transmitted by mosquitoes. The final mode of transmission we'll discuss is the common vehicle transmission. This involves a common source like water, food, or medication that can serve as a vehicle for the spread of diseases. An example of this is the transmission of cholera through contaminated water. Now let's summarize what this video has covered. We've explained the 6 main modes of transmission of diseases: direct contact, indirect contact, droplet, airborne, vector-borne, and common vehicle. Each mode involves different mechanisms, and understanding these can help in the prevention and control of infectious diseases. Remember, staying informed is the first step in staying healthy. By understanding how diseases are transmitted, we can take appropriate steps to prevent their spread. Whether it's as simple as washing your hands regularly, avoiding close contact with those who are sick, or getting vaccinated, every step counts in the fight against infectious diseases. That's it for this video. Don't forget to stay alert, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy.